fasting having a very good effect upon our body, mind, and also help in spiritual growth. The actual aim is to make our body and mind strong and development in the spiritual level. But we need to understand many things regarding how what to eat during the fasting and how to eat it. Namaskar, welcome to Sumikaya Garpam. In my previous video, I just shared with you two importance of fasting in a glance. Today I am going to share with you how to do the fasting and what to eat during the fasting. Before I share you what to eat during fasting, I would like to share a few important points that is very much important to remember while doing fasting. Like while doing fasting, you need to go for a short fasting period. Long fasting period is depends upon your capacity. If you are feeling sickness or weakness, then don't go for fasting. Next, you have to hydrate your body throughout the fasting time, and before going to fasting, you have to follow a small technique what to eat before one day of your fasting day, and next to how to break your fast without any complication in your diet. Next important point is that you have to make sure that your body is ready for fasting, and you have to take whole diet, whole foods or nutrients in other days rather than the fasting days. So fasting is very much necessary to develop, to have a strong and body and mind. So if you are going for fasting, one day before the fasting, go have your dinner around 7:30, in between the 7:30, and that should be effective if you are going for a vegetarian diet. Just one day before your fasting day, take your dinner early, if possible in between 7:30, and a vegetarian diet is better because and that should be prepared in a very simple way without much spices, condiments or oils or fats. A simple diet will help you to strengthen your body and mind and help you to do the fasting in a very effective way. So vegetarian diet is very good. If you are consuming non-veg and you are going for fasting, then the one day before fasting, better to avoid non-veg, and during the fasting day, just continue your fasting by adopting fresh fruits, vegetable, lot of water. If you wish, you can go for milk. Pressurized milk is better, and fresh fruits and vegetables that should be not in a large quantity. Adopt in a small amount in a small interval, and got it before you eat. And plenty of water can help you to hydrate your body, and don't forget to go for a walk. But if you know about meditation technique, please go for meditation. Keep on discussing all the positive things. Some creativity work can also help you, and I assure you during the fasting day, the day your mind becomes very active, and the way you can use it, that can cooperate with you, and your mind is completely under your control. Do it. Fasting will help you a lot. Also, you can go for sprouts, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. You can add the sprouts and fresh fruits, mix all these and use in a small interval, or consume all this in a small interval. And better you will avoid salt and sugar the same day of fasting. It will help to give rest to your internal organ, especially the intestine and liver. Also increases its capacity, its efficiency. Simultaneously, the control over your food, the craving for food also decreases. That also helps you to reduce your weight and increases the willpower of your mind. So do the fasting with all the natural ingredients. Better to go for natural fresh fruits and vegetable instead of cooked food, because it will help you to get the nutrition, vitamins, minerals directly, and also give rest to your internal organs, especially the digestive system and intestine to work more. It will give rest to the internal organs. All type of vitamins and mineral is available richly in fresh fruits and vegetables. Simultaneously, you can go for milk and fresh curd. That also helps to increase the antioxidants of your body and helps to provide protein to the body. So I hope this will help you. So go for fasting every 15 days and go for the natural foods without any spices, condiments, salts and sugar. If you are avoiding it, is far better. Give rest to your organ system and help your body and mind to grow in a natural way, to make it strong, increase its strength by the technique of fasting. Do not hesitate to drink sufficient amount of water. If you are going for juice, then avoid sugar in it. Prepare it before you are consuming it, that will be better. Avoid canned sugar and avoid the packed juices available in the market. Better you will go all the fresh fruits and vegetables, that will definitely help you. Please follow this technique and then stay healthy, stay young, stay fit and fine. And for such type of videos, subscribe my channel, go through my videos, write your comments and suggestions, that is very valuable for me. I will see you soon. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep smiling. Namaskar.